Hello, everybody. Let's study the poem Snake Trying by W. Ross. In this poem, the poet tries to tell us that all snakes are not dangerous. They try to escape from us. They escape from the hitting stick. They escape from the pursuing stick. He tells us that we should not kill any snake that we see around. The poem Snake Trying tells us about the stick that pursues the snake. The snake tries to escape from being hit by the stick. But the poet wants to say here that all the snakes are not harmful. It is no need to kill them. Humans have a notion and they assume that all snakes are dangerous, and by looking at them, it is their first priority to kill them. Therefore, through this poem, the poet tries to tell that not to kill, but rather love the beauty of the snake. The snake is trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Now, here the poet is trying to tell that the snake is trying to escape the pursuing stick. He's with sudden curvings of thin body. So his body is thin and he has got curvings. So the snake is trying to hiss away. He's trying to escape the stick that is following him. But at the same time, the poet is trying to dissuade the hitter. He's telling, look, how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Do you really think that you have to hit the snake? And this way, the poet is trying to tell the beauty of the snake. Now, here, as I have said, there is no particular rhyming scheme and it is a free verse. So, the words pursuing is following and curving is twisting. He glides through the water away from the storm. Or let him go over the water, into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. Now, here the poet is trying to tell that the snake is trying to escape the following stick. The snake is trying to escape the stroke which is he going to get for no mistake of him. Oh, let him go. The poet is trying to plead, oh, please let him go over the water, into the reeds to hide. Reeds are marsh plants or the long grass that you find near streams and lakes and waters. And here the poet is saying, please don't hit him. It is a small and green. He is harmless even to the children. Now, the poet is trying to dissuade the hitter. He is trying to convince the person not to kill the snake. He is such a harmless, quiet, green, beautiful snake. So the poet is telling the beauty and always and trying to plead not to harm the snake. Here he has been used, so it is personification here. The he used here for the snake is personification. We have other literary devices also, like in the last line, he is harmless. So we can take alliteration there. So here the snake is beautiful and please don't hit it. Along the sand he laid until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slime reeds. The poet is telling along the sand, the snake is lying down along the sand. He is harmless. He lay until observed. That is, he is hiding from everybody. And he will run away. He will be chased away once he is found and observed. So the poet here is telling, please do not hit or harm the snake. If the snake finds you, he will obviously run away from your sight. So, what is the point of hitting and killing the snake? And now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slime reeds. Now, here he is telling, the poet is telling, he will disappear in the ripples among the green slime reeds. He will not be there. So, what is the point of killing and hitting a beautiful snake which is green and long and thin? The literary devices is not there. It's a free words. But transferred epithet has been used. Here, the adjective used with a noun has been referred and transferred. Like the pursuing stick. The pursuing refers to the person who is holding the stick and not stick to itself. Alliteration, I said, the H and the harm has been used here and there. And personification, of course, the snake has been personified. The message of the poem that the poet wants to convey is that all snakes are not harmful. We should not kill and try to uh, hit and harm snakes. Not only snakes, animals are not also required to be killed. They are not there to harm human beings. They try to protect themselves. The poet tries to admire beauty. The poet tries to admire nature. The poet tries to admire a lot many things in this poem. So the message here is that even if the snake is poisonous, that poison is for it to protect itself from others. The poet tells us that the condition of harmless green colored snake as it tries to hide being the green is just a gesture and natural way to protect itself.